quiet and bare. No prayer whispered, no incense in the air. In my heart a wish to light a flame, but no clear path, just silence and name. Then he came, calm as the breeze, smiled and said, let it be with ease. Now it stands a temple so true, a space for all, for me and you. No name asked, no word of fame. He built with love, not chasing acclaim. Not brick and stone, but soul and light. Now every breath there feels just right. Buddha rests with eyes closed deep, holding the dreams we wish to keep. Those who come, they find their way in stillness where the spirit stays. He asked for nothing, he left no trace, but gifted this world a sacred place. And as he left, he softly said, one day I'll return again at gracious doors. A hope does stay, a corner so still, yet touched every day. That's a story